Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First you're going to know the colors name. Orange color, blue color, red color, purple color, green color, chocolate color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Star, heart, triangle, decagon, square and circle. Now we're going to draw the shapes. Star, next kids, heart, next triangle, next kids, decagon, next square, next kids, circle, now we're going to put the color. Orange color, star, next kids, red color, heart, next kids, blue color, triangle, next green color, decagon, next purple color, square, next chocolate color, circle, what we learn? We learn orange color, star, red color, heart, blue color, triangle, green color, decagon, purple color, square, chocolate color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.